Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find someone on Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now here, you will find the search option. Press on it. Now in the search bar, you have to paste the username of the person whom you want to search. I'm searching here Leo Messi. Here it is. So this is how to find someone on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.